Hai guys, kali ini kita berada di Tangkahan ya. Ya, kita akan melihat gajah. Lihat, Rahmat, Abang Jago. Sungai apa ini? Goyang.
Sometimes we're happy to breathe, I breathe. We love, walk, talk, and we smile. Have you thought about why we look the same? Why we feel the same? Don't tell me it's by chance. Oh, you're my brother.
Silakan hubungi nomor di bawah. Semakin ringan semakin mahal. Saat ini kita sedang menuruni Sungai Tangkahan menuju Medan. Dari Gunung Leuser menuju Medan. Medan. Luar biasa. Melihat anak-anak di sana, bajunya. Nah, itu tadi gajah saudara. Ada gajah juga sebenarnya di atas sana. Itu tadi. Burung ngaji.
You're my brother, you're my sister, we're one big family. Oh, oh, oh. You're my brother, you're my sister, just one big family. Oh, oh, oh. You're my brother, you're my sister, we're one big family. Just one big family.